Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 19th March 2021. So this analysis is for 19th March only. You will be seeing me on Monday again with new stocks for Monday. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So the first stock for the day that I have is Coca-Cola. Okay, you can see that I have the chart of Coca-Cola in front of me right now. And the last traded price of Coca-Cola is 50.57. Okay, it closed at 50.57. So what should be a strategy on Coca-Cola then? Let me draw a line for you so that it becomes clear for you to understand. Okay, so you can see that Coca-Cola has made a red candle yesterday, and it has also broke the daily support which was available near the 51 level. Okay, so we will only be looking for shorting opportunity on Coca-Cola. So the price that we need to look for is 50.4. Okay, this is the price we need to look for. If we get the stock below 50.4 level, we can short the stock. If we see that the yesterday's selling pressure is still there on the stock, sellers are still dominating, just short the stock below 50.4 level. Okay. So the next stock for the day is Visa. So Visa's last traded price is 220.6. Okay, 220.6 is the price, and we can see that the stock has respected the daily support which was available at 219 level. Okay, at 219 level it has got the support, and yesterday it has made a spinning top kind of a pattern. Let me zoom in. So we can see that yesterday it has made a spinning top kind of a pattern. As we know that spinning top kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision going on in the market. Right now, neither buyers nor sellers are dominating. There is a tug of war kind of a situation going on in the market. Okay, therefore, market may either go up or go down. But as we have got daily support here at 219 level, so it will be risky to short the market, okay, immediately, but we can go for buying opportunity. Okay, we can go long above this level. Sorry, we can go long above 222.5. Okay, so if we get the stock above 222.5 level, and if we see that okay, the stock is doing good, the buyers have managed to take over the control, then we can easily go for buy above 222.5. Okay, above this level. Okay, above this level we won't be looking for shorting opportunity, because if we short the stock below this level, okay, below 219 level, again the stock has got support at 219 200 sorry, if we short the stock below 219.2 level, okay, again the stock has got support at 219 level, so there is no use. Okay, so only look for buying opportunity above 222.5 level. So the third stock for the day is MSFT, Microsoft. For Microsoft also, you can see that yesterday it has made a red candle with good price rejection from above, and ultimately it closed at 230.7 230.7. Okay, this is the last traded price of Microsoft. Okay, as we had a good selling pressure from Microsoft. Okay, so again we will be looking for shorting opportunity on Microsoft below this level, 230.2 or 25. Okay, so if you get Microsoft below 230.25 or 2 level, and if you see that the selling pressure is there, sellers are still there on the market, just short the stock for a target of, okay, 228.5. Okay, if you short the stock, then 228.5 is your target for Microsoft. The fourth stock is Nvidia. Okay, for Nvidia, you can see that it has made a big fat red candle yesterday. Okay, it has made a big fat red candle, and it has also broke the daily support. Okay, and right now it is trading at, or the last traded price of Nvidia is 508.9. Okay, 508.9 is the last traded price of Nvidia. So what should be a strategy there? Strategy is simple. Okay, let me draw the line here for your convenience. So you can see the line, and the price that we need to look for is this price. If we get the stock below 508.5 level or yesterday's low, I'm talking about the yesterday's low. If we get the stock below yesterday's low level, and if you see that the seller's party is still going on, just short the stock. Okay. If you see that the sellers are still dominating the stock, they are still present, and then you can short the stock for target of this 498.6. Your target will be 498.6. Okay, so this is the strategy that you can follow for Nvidia on 19th March. So the next stock for the day is wait, where is the stock? Let me type in here. It's UPS. So you can see that UPS has formed a spinning top Fuji. Okay, it and the stock has closed just at the daily support level. Okay, and the last traded price is 160.2. 160.2 is the last traded price of the stock. So what should be a strategy for the UPS? Let me draw two lines here, the first line and the second line. Okay, so what are the price that we need to look for? The first price is 161.2, and the next price is 158.9. Okay, these are the prices. As we all know, this kind of a pattern generally suggests that there is a war going on. Nobody is dominating the market, neither sellers, neither buyers. Okay, so if you get the stock above 161.2 level, go for a buy, and if you get the stock below 158.9 level, you can short the stock. Okay, and in case the stock open between 161.2 and 158.9 level, okay, between this range, then just wait for the stock. You do not need to trade while the stock is trading in between this range. Once it crosses the level either towards the upside or downside, okay, wait for 15-30 minutes, just see how the stock is doing. If you see that the stock has crossed the level towards up or down, just wait for 15-30. If you see that the stock is trading comfortably, then just go ahead and place the order. Okay, so this is the strategy that you can follow for UPS, United Parcels Service. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya on Monday again. Thank you. Bye bye.